keen to build the UDA party into a monolithic party that is going to outlive its current leadership. We are traveling with a delegation of 15 people from the Secretariat. This is just the beginning of an exchange program that is going to ensure that the CPC party helps UDA party in building capacity at the Secretariat. We've had very good relations with the Republic of China, and as a country, we are going to enhance the relationship to ensure that the two countries benefit from the cordial relationship that they have established. We are having ongoing elections. We want to urge our party members to continue registering in large numbers because we are trying to build a party that is going to ensure that we institutionalize democracy in our country. So we want to urge any person who has got the urge or the desire of leading this country to ensure that he gets on board, make sure you register as a party member. We want to urge all young leaders, university students, TVET students who are yearning to be leaders in future. This is a platform to incubate your leadership ambitions, and therefore just to urge you during this electioneering period, kindly ensure you join the UDA party so that you participate in the electoral process that is ongoing. Our government is keen to ensure that we bring everybody on board. As a party, we've been mandated to talk to other like-minded parties within Kenya Kwanza and even outside Kenya Kwanza. And the process is ongoing. We are talking to our brothers from the Amani National Congress, our brothers from the Ford Kenya and other affiliate parties of the Kenya Kwanza coalition, and we want to report that the talks have hit a high note, whereby in the coming days you will realize that we've made headways in terms of negotiating with our sister parties within the Kenya Kwanza Alliance so that we form a big political movement. Come 2027, this will be a political movement that will not be compared to any other.
Lego kumagara niko higa tugukihoka ati magĩkorwo magĩthoma kaũndũ ga kũmateithia kũhiga ũtongoria-inĩ na hau